Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a best strategy that you can use to earn a lot of money from Bybit. Okay, so this strategy will allows you to make a lot of profit from this amazing app. So all you just need to do is to make sure you watch this video from the very beginning to the end of this very video so that you can earn a lot. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. If you do not have any, I'll drop you a link beneath this video that you can use to register and start making money for yourself. Okay, so all you just need to do is to pick up your phone and go to trade. In this very place, we have home, we have market, we have derivatives, which is the featured trading of this very place, and we have the trade, and we also have the asset. The trade is where you can trade, and the asset is where you can find your fund. See the asset? This is the asset. The asset is where you can find your fund. Okay, and trade is where you can find a variety of coin for you to start trading. Okay. Can say, wow, this is a nice market. This market will soon go up and very high. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come to this very place, choose any coin of your choice, and let's check out for the settings. Okay, now the chart is a bit complicated because the Bollinger Band is enabled. Let me remove it. Okay, so I can get it very well. So all you just need to do, let's do this on BTC. Okay, let's do this on BTC. So all you just need to do, if you look at the top right hand side, there is a sign like settings. Click on the settings. If you click on the settings, it will bring you to an interface like this. Okay, click on indicator. These are indicators. Click on indicators. If you click on indicators, there are a lot of indicators. So there's moving average indicator, there's moving average exponential, there's pulling the bands, there's parabolic, there is also secondary indicators, which is volume, MACD, and the others. Okay, so what I want us to take a look at is the moving average exponentials, MAE. Okay, so if you click on it, it will bring us to a place like this. Okay, if it bring you to a place like this, all you just need to do is to make your settings. Okay, maybe we should take the first line as blue, second as green, third as yellow, and fourth as red. Okay, let's see how we can quickly do that so that we can know how to manage our indicators and how to check if this will go down or this will go up. Okay, okay, you can see I think we are going to maintain those colors here because it seems it cannot be changed. Okay, so let me check. But in my previous video, the one I did on Binance, it was changed. I was able to arrange the colors of my own. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to change the figures, of which the first one we know that is going to be yellow, second one is blue but light, and the third one is more of pink, and we're going to add the number 4, which is the real blue. Okay, okay, if you come to this place, make this one 5. Okay, make this second one 9 currently, then make this one 25 currently, then make this one 51. Okay, make this one 51. Are we good? Then after you have done these 4 settings accordingly, click on confirm. Don't forget, your first line is your first line is yellow, which is what you are going to move with. is the most important line here. Is what you're going to move with. Okay. All right. Click on confirm, because if you don't click on confirm, your settings cannot be saved. Click on confirm. Okay. You can see I've clicked on confirm, and the settings are what the settings are saved. So let's go back to the chart. Okay. Let's see how the chart works. Now, whenever the yellow that you know, okay, and before that, I'll have to come to this EMA down here first. Come on, the EMA, come down to EMA. Okay, so whenever the yellow line, okay, whenever the yellow line is above the whole line on that occasion, the coin will be going up. And whenever the yellow line has started going below the rest of the lines, it means the coin will be going down. So this will allow you to identify when to enter the market and when to leave the market. Okay, it will allow you to identify when to enter the market and when to leave the market. Okay, so let's roll down back the chart and see, so I can see the example of what I'm talking about. If you look at this very point, the yellow line went above the rest of the line, which led to the upward trend. Okay, which led to the upward trend. And if you check from here again, the yellow line started going below the rest of the line, which led towards downtrend. Okay, all right. Let's look for another one that blew. Okay, let's look for another one that went up very well. So we scroll back. Okay, you can see in this very joint again, the yellow line started moving above the rest of the line little by little and went very high here. Okay, you can see, you're seeing it. So in this very place again, you can see the yellow line went below the rest of the line, which led to downward trend up to 42. Here, you can see this place now. The yellow line started going above the other lines little by little, little by little. You can see up, 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 up until it went to 44. You can see. All right, you can see that. So whenever the yellow line is above the other lines, that is when to buy. If it started going above the other line, that is when to buy. But if it reached this top and it started going down above below the other lines, that is when to sell. If not, you will lose all the profit you have made. Okay, so go through these strategies very well, and you will realize that there is a lot to make from this very strategy in this 2024. Okay, so this 2024, try not to lose your money to an exchange, to trading exchange. Okay, follow this video bit by bit, watch from the beginning to the end, and you will enjoy the result of this very video. Okay, watch it from the beginning to the end, and as well follow it bit by bit. Okay, you can see this place. Imagine you enter from this place. You see, so the moment you can as well come to this place and stick your trade here, 4022. You can say okay, buy when the trade is 4022 or 4025. 4025. You can say buy for 100 USD. You see, buy, and it will remain on orders. Whenever the trade go down there, it will join into the market. And once you join to the market, immediately you start making profits. You see, it's very simple and also easier to learn. And you can as well see today that Bybit is going to launch three coins today. Okay, they're going to launch three coins today. One is pot, two is rat, and three is sat. Okay, so stay with those ones. You can watch them and as well join to buy. Okay, and as well what join to buy. The moment they are listing, anytime they are listing a new coin like this, if you are lucky enough, you'll be able to make a lot of profit from this place before any other things happen. Okay, you'll be able to make a lot of profit from this very place before any other things happen. And again, today is a very good time to enter the market. If you are watching this video as at this time, it's a good time to enter the market and make any coin of your choice and buy and start making profit. Okay, so I want to stop here for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me from the beginning to the end of this very video. I am very grateful for that. So if you are coming across to this channel for the first time and you have not subscribed, please do well to kind of subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget as well to share this video for other people to benefit from it. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.